Hi, this is Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and today's video I've been asked to do one for people who are working from home, who have been used to working in an office and the kinds of things that are coming up for them. So losing a sense of their purpose, missing interacting with colleagues, feeling bored, procrastinating, unmotivated, feeling like there's nothing to do, difficulty relaxing, can't go out, frustration, missing my morning cappuccino on the way to work, missing my routine, feeling lost. So those are the kinds of things that we're going to be tapping on today. And if you haven't done EFT before, it's called emotional freedom techniques tapping. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. So the invitation is to simply do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. Now, I'm doing these daily tapping videos during the coronavirus pandemic because the pandemic is affecting a percentage of us, not all of us. And the fear epidemic is affecting at least 99% of us. So I want to make tapping a bigger virus than the fear virus. So if you're watching this right now, please do hit the share button if you know people who could benefit so that they can release their own fears around all of these problems too. So so basically we're going to be touching our faces, so please do pause the video, use your hand sanitizer, go and wash your hands, and we'll get going. So even though I'm now having to work from home and it's frustrating, I feel like I've lost my sense of purpose. And I'm really missing interacting with my colleagues. I'm missing the chats at breaks. I'm missing my morning cappuccino on my way to work. And I'm feeling like I've lost my sense of purpose. And I acknowledge all of these feelings just as they are. So just tapping through the points now. Feeling like I've lost my sense of purpose. This working from home. It feels strange. I miss getting up in the morning and going out. I miss interacting with my colleagues. I miss our chats. I miss the banter. And it's boring being at home all the time. And I'm finding it hard to motivate myself. And I end up procrastinating. And I feel like there's nothing to do. And I feel lonely. There's nowhere to go. Not being with my colleagues. And I miss my routine. And I feel a bit lost. And a bit lonely. And it's frustrating. And I don't know how long this will go on for. It could be a long time. And I don't know how I'm going to get through it. So I'm acknowledging all of these feelings. It's okay to feel them now. And as you acknowledge how you're feeling, take a deep breath in. Letting go of some of these feelings. Acknowledging that this isn't an easy situation. Acknowledging my feelings about it. Acknowledging the frustration the loneliness, the isolation, the lack of motivation. Allowing those feelings to be here fully so that I can begin to release them and let them go. Those emotions are only energy, and energy can move. So I'm open to the possibility of noticing my feet on the floor and my body in the chair and my breath just how it is and just how it isn't. I'm noticing this moment. This is the only moment I truly have. And I'm breathing into this moment now. And I know that this situation won't last forever. So I'm becoming more present, more aware of this moment. And I'm open to the possibility of noticing what I'm grateful for in this moment. I'm grateful that right now I do have a job, that I can work, even if it's from home. And I can go out for a walk. And I can get fresh air. And I'm acknowledging those parts of me that are healthy right now. And I'm noticing all the things I'm grateful for in this moment. And just now bring to mind the things that are going well in your life. Connections with friends or family. Grateful for technology that keeps me in touch with people. Grateful for technology that means I can still work. I'm open to the possibility of knowing and trusting that I do have the resources to cope with this. And I'm infusing into every cell of my body motivation and focus and productivity and joy and acceptance and peace and calm and vibrant health and energy and even more motivation. And just bring to mind the things that you feel that you need right now. And as I'm saying that, imagine yourself infusing those qualities into every cell of your body now. And put your hands in the centre of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath, transform. So do repeat this video as often as you need to. I'm making a video a day until I run out of steam, so do check out my other videos. They're here on EFT Tapping and Facebook page. They're also on my YouTube playlist channel, Tamara27 UK. And if you've enjoyed this, then do share it so that as many people as possible can benefit from this, so that we can reduce the fear virus. Have an amazing day. You can do this. Stay strong. Bye.